His situation. Got one of really, it's not nice. It's not nice. It's very tense. As bona abanye bebesebezi and just I just wanna unibonisa uba kubanjani xa bekhutshwa. Unibonisa just uba kubanjani xa ekhutshwa. So yabona kule see what eyenzekayo. So iba situation elolu hlobo xa bekhutshwa abantu. So but I think nalo bevale ngelanto yangama cardboard, you understand. And I think nansi pa umzali wakhona umuntu behlala lapha ngaphakathi. But yeah, it's not a nice situation at all. It's not nice. A command, two. As the CHO, it's said there are abakhona bonwabileyo, bakhona really yeah, understand xa ukhutshwa sozonwabe at all. And nanki yabona nayo uthutha into zakhe. Yeah, it's not nice. It's bad. Actually, it's a very bad situation.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Hi guys, mara litinye izinto sedambisana nokungathathi kahle engqondweni. Uyithola njani RDP yebantu lengakapheleli lesakhwa ufike wena ufake impahla takho, ufake into takho, ufake ama-cardbox emafasitereni uhlale. Kanjani manje? Kanjani RDP yebantu that doesn't even belong to you? Ba evictiwe ke laphana e-Eastern Cape abantu laba bafika batihlalele kuma-RDP that doesn't even belong to them. Bakhipha into tabo njengoba sibona amasofa amebeds nayo yakhishwa ibekwa ngaphandle kuthiwa nje get because uhlala njani enzaweni engasiyo yakho. This place doesn't belong to you. It's not your RDP. It's not your house. Ufika njani uhlale wesiphathi lendlu sakhwa ayikapheli. It's not like bafike bahlale enzaweni lesetiphelile. Bafike bahlale enzaweni lengakapheli le bayibona kahle ukuthi belonga to someone else and isakhiwa. Sibinze sabo ngiyafisa nje ukuthi bangiphele so sibinze. So bakhiphile guys. Bani bayahawulisa mase babakhipha bavisa nebuhlungu. Semuntu babekete impahla takhe lapha ngaphandle so udliwa amahloni kube ukwati kahle nje ukuthi lenzawo lahleli kuyo ayisiyo yakhe. Ngibani nje umuntu ovela ahlale kwele ekhaya lelingabhelungu kuya afake into takhe ahlale. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.